About SEC versus Ripple, XRP, and Bitcoin. What is the future of crypto? We're about to analyze that and more. First the intro, then we'll be back with more. See you soon. So, SEC sue Ripple, which owns XRP. XRP is the crypto. People are trading on it today, even though it's an active litigation. Suspect, as security attorneys here in the United States, that this lawsuit, SEC versus Ripple, will someday soon, this year, next year, be completed, and it has to be completed soon. So, here is the issue that I'm having with this. There are people who are literally, when I say literally, they are speculating on that case, SEC versus Ripple. Do not speculate on a case that's actively involved in litigation because you cannot chart it, okay? Anything can happen. Not because you are listening to legal analysts in the United States that are security attorneys. It does not mean that you should speculate on purchasing XRP based upon just watching a show. With that disclaimer out, I'll give you I believe after watching all these cases and reading the 101 pages that the SEC filed against Coinbase, Ripple, why? Because it's a legitimate company. That's number one, Gary Gensler. Ripple is actually legit. Number two, all cryptos are not security. Gary, you already know that. We all know all cryptos cannot be security. There are 23,000 cryptos right now in the market. Some are legit, some are not. You can chart XRP so we know it is legit. What caused it to go down that much was the litigation that was involved. Remember what I said, government manipulation or act of God will create a market to move back or forth, okay? The problem I'm having with this SEC versus Ripple case is that the American system is getting ready to introduce its own digital dollars. So was XRP used to get some PR for FedNow? Because this is another issue. Let's go over the 4 issues why I really believe, looking at this as a security attorney from my lenses, why SEC is about to lose. SEC probably has a 2% chance. Let me explain why. Before everybody sends over all these emails. Number 1, Bitcoin was not sued. Bitcoin is now a commodity registered under Chicago. Number 2, ETHEREUM is being used as a digital dollar for Barbados. Okay, it was not registered as a security. Number 3, 130 governments all over the world are getting ready to introduce digital dollars. Number 4, FedNow. FedNow, the United States government has its own digital dollars coming out. So could this case, S versus Ripple, really be about us, the American people and the world, getting used to digital dollars that will be FedNow? And it's not really about XRP, because XRP is legit. That's what we know. Here is the issue, and the only or one of the only mistakes as Ripple did. When they filed the IPO, they call themselves a security. But let me show you the characteristic of a security. Gary Gensler, SEC, and the world. When we think of securities, we think of stores that have brick or mortar, or we can see some physical possession to them. I cannot see physical possession to Bitcoin. I cannot see physical possession to ETHR. I cannot see physical possession to XRP. Okay? Amazon, I can see physical possession of Amazon. Even though Amazon does not have a brick and mortar, it's an online chain. I do see the store. I do see the truck passing that says Amazon. There is no truck passing that says Bitcoin. There's no truck passing that says XRP. Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, personally, I can use it. You can use it to conduct business on the internet. How can that be a security? I cannot use my target stock and buy something on the internet unless I liquidate it. I can use my Bitcoin instead of a currency, which is the American dollar. That's correct. I could use XRP as a currency instead of the American dollar. So that's what this is about. Cryptocurrency is in direct conflict with the US dollar. And the US dollar, big government, destroyed the US dollar. If you look at the graph of the US dollar, it shows it's a dying concept. Ladies and gentlemen, in the United States, I've been here for 41 years now. I am telling people when I was 17 years old, 40 US dollars could full a tank for 1 month. That same road today is $600 for the month. Okay? We're not getting a raise. This is why people ran to XRP. This is why people ran to Bitcoin. And this is why people are running to the cryptocurrency. They are scared of the dollar, and the United States government through SEC versus Ripple will be bringing us FedNow, a digital dollar that's going to take our freedom. So that's what this lawsuit is about. XRP is not a security because I cannot feel or touch it. I cannot feel or touch Bitcoin, but it serves a purpose on the internet. It is a digital currency, a digital asset. Gary Gensler, come on, you once said it was a digital asset. Why have you changed your mind? As security lawyers, we all know that cryptocurrency, they are digital currency, digital asset, because I have no physical possession of it. My stock, I can see Target stores and I can see Target stuff. Bitcoin has been used or is being used to conduct transactions where MasterCard and Visa card cannot be used. So that is the difference. That's the distinction between cryptocurrency and security. It's the fact that one, you can physically possess or see the manifestation of the items in your area. You cannot see a Bitcoin shop. You cannot see a Bitcoin dollar. You do not see a Bitcoin store. It only possesses on the internet, and it serves a purpose. Digital currency serves a purpose. It works for trading. So how can it be a security if we can use it to trade like a currency? So that is the concept that's way off. And that's why I believe SEC versus Ripple. I believe the SEC is going to lose on this one, because seriously, cryptocurrencies are not securities. They cannot be securities. It doesn't even have the characteristics of a security. I'm Tisha Powell. Subscribe for more.